and we just came over to the fuel dock. It's a Wednesday night around 6:15 Eastern time. There's Tim. There's our diesel fuel being loaded on. There's Ted.
I remember when you got
Lake Barkley Lock and Dam. The fleur-de-lis, maiden voyage. Hey Tim.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. You're good. Hey Julie.
Hi.
Hey Dan.
Hi, Don.
Yeah. Maiden voyage to the fleur-de-lis. What's that?
Look at the damn wall behind you.
Yeah.
Anybody want a fish sandwich for lunch? There's one here too.
So that's the dam, the lower part, and then the lock is the higher part. And we're going 57 feet down.
15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we got 12 more feet to go. Yep.
Look at the lock wall in front of us. They didn't put the dam there. Thank goodness. Because it'd be hard for us to get up.
Waiting over what now? Well, I tell you what, sure looks like it'd be awful doggone easy. Just cruise right down through her. They ain't gonna have none of it.
You can start pushing away if you want.
We are free. Very thank you.
This is the Smithland lock.
Coming through the door up there, Joe?
We're on the Ohio River. See why I went to wearing a life jacket?
Yeah, that always is giving me little chills. Took them a while to really get that bustling though.
Yeah. Okay, we just had dinner. We're in Golconda, night number 1. Nice little marina. Quiet place right off the Ohio River. Cave and Rock will be that way, about 10 miles. And Green Turtle Bay is that way, about 50 miles. It's Thursday evening. Haley's doing her chorus concert. And talked to you guys earlier tonight. Miss you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, it's 10 after 6. Friday morning. 10 after 6 Friday morning, day 2. The boat is looking great. It's a beautiful morning. And we're just now getting ready to shove off. The sun's going to come up in about 10 minutes. Okay, so I rode over here. We're getting ready to head out to the Ohio River, which is out there. We're in a little harbor here. And
Morning, Don.
good morning,
6:31 a.m.
Cuyahoga, or
Friday, the 17th of May.
he's probably waking up everybody in the boats. No. Golconda, Illinois. Here we go, day 2. I'm in a little rubber dinghy.
What day is Grandma's birthday?
Okay, here we are, morning of day 2, and we are right outside Cave and Rock, Illinois. State Park. See, we would have driven right past that, not even thought about it.
So how far back in there does it go?
Quite a way.
Island in Kentucky or Illinois?
That's a Kentucky island. Most of the river is Kentucky. I assume that's the island there.
Okay, because there was one island we went by and Dan was showing me on the chart that it was an Illinois island.
I'm going to video upstairs a little bit. Okay, it's 10 till 10. Beautiful day on the river. And this boat is just doing great. Doing about 30 miles an hour. Making our way up to Cincinnati. Hope to be in Evansville in a couple. Hope to be in Evansville in a few minutes, or in a few hours. Those are our RPMs. Uncle Tim is driving downstairs. They've done an unbelievable job of cleaning this boat up. Beautiful country. Till 10 in the morning Eastern time. Okay, we've just slowed down a little bit because we're pulling into, or getting ready to come through Evansville, Indiana. There's a gambling boat there in Evansville. There's the downtown Evansville. There's a Fifth Third Bank building near there. It is 11:20. First city we've come to. Okay, we're outside of Evansville. Beautiful countrysides here. That's down Evansville way. Beautiful beaches. Beautiful islands. I'm in the Virgin Islands. Coming up to Owensboro, Kentucky.
97% loading. And then 85.
There's Calf. We're at Kennelton Lock and Dam, north of Owensboro. And we'll be tying up for the night here in a couple miles. And here's Karen. Hello.
Hello.
And then we picked up Bill. There's Bill and Julie. Tim.